These 4 side hustles can make you an extra $1,000 a month, and number 3, in my opinion, is the most underrated one. When people hear side hustles, they think they have to start businesses, but because of technology, side hustles and earning an extra $1,000 a month is getting easier than ever. Just 5 years ago, I was on government assistance. That's crazy to say out loud. I had less than $50 inside my bank account. Fast forward 5 years, I started a business that honestly I did not intend to grow the way it did. It started as a side hustle, if you would, where I thought I would just be me making money, and it's continued to grow and grow and grow to the point where it has given me complete financial freedom. You don't have to have the intent of starting a massive company, but you do need to make extra income so that you can invest, get out of debt, and actually take control of your financial future. Let's break these 4 down, okay? I'm gonna give you 4 topics and try to keep it really quick, really practical so you can actually implement this. And on every single one, I'll tell you how I would actually use this money because that's the most important part. The number 1 side hustle we're gonna go through is skill arbitrage. Over the last couple of years, it has become extremely easy for you to not need a degree, not need a job. All you need is a skill and be able to find the people that need that skill. Before, it was really hard because you actually had to network into them. But websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, Marketplace allow you to put a skill out there and have people actually use you. I use it all the time in my business. Whether it's graphic design, video editing, UGC, even narrating can earn you really good money. So no matter what your skill is, log onto those websites and start searching around. Put a couple hours in the weekends, couple hours in a night, and you can make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. Now, the most important thing when you make this money is you cannot just use it to increase your lifestyle. Over 50% of people making $150,000 a year are living paycheck to paycheck. That is not an income issue, that is a spending issue. Figure out how to keep your lifestyle the same and use that money to actually further your financial freedom. If you could invest $1,000 a month, you would turn into a multi-millionaire. So do the side hustle, figure out how to get that money in, but don't just go blow that money. Be smart and invest it. And if you don't know how to do that, that's the whole reason I created Amplify. Get into a community of like-minded people that help each other invest. What stocks do you do? How do you do it? Where are you going? What's cryptocurrency? How to do real estate? Figure out how to actually invest that money because that is the skill that will truly make you financially free. And these in-between side hustles are just the medium to get you that money so that you can get there. Side hustle number 2 is flipping in your local marketplaces. There's a lot of money in flipping if you know what you're doing and can become an expert because people need immediate cash. Let me give you a scenario. Let's say that I get a new job and I have to move across the country and I've got to liquidate everything inside my house. I sell my home and I have to move on May 1st. I hold a yard sale, it doesn't sell, and now I have a ton of furniture in my house and less than a week to sell it, and I have to sell it within that week. What ends up happening is because of my urgency of time, I'm willing to take a lower price because I have to sell it. But the actual piece of furniture, if you can sit on it for 2, 3, 4 weeks, can make really good money when you find the right seller. This applies to anything, okay? You can do it with furniture, you can do it with phones, laptops, technology, bikes, cars. You can do it with honestly anything, but what you're doing is you are relying on people's urgency to make them drop the price so that you can sit on that product for a couple extra weeks and get a higher price for it. You just have to be the expert. You have to be able to look at a piece of furniture and know what you can sell it for. Look at a car and know what you can sell it for. If you start flipping anything and everything and are not an expert, it is a recipe to lose money. Side hustle number 3 is my personal favorite. I still do it to this day, and this is digital and affiliate marketing. This has been a side hustle for a long time, but it has changed in the last couple of months because you don't have to SEO like crazy. What used to happen is you'd build up a website. You'd have blogs or websites where you posted a ton, so you could get your SEO really high, and then you'd shout out brands and get affiliate deals. It was a lot of work to get a website to a point where you could actually do digital marketing and SEO. Modern social media has completely changed the game. It does not matter if you have a million followers on TikTok or 5 followers on TikTok. If we both post the same video, it's going to get a very similar reach. Followers are no longer rewarded. Good content is rewarded. And this plays into the little guy that's just trying to make an extra buck. If you can get on TikTok, even Instagram, and start posting to build an audience and get views, you can do affiliate pay. And the reason I like affiliate pay, there's no overhead and it's often residual and reoccurring. If you recommend a subscription that you really like, call it Netflix, every single month that person re-ups their Netflix, you usually get a small portion of it. Now, don't push stuff that you don't care about. I'm so sick of affiliate and digital marketers pushing stuff that honestly is not good. If you push quality stuff and provide real entertainment or education, you can be very successful pushing authentic, real stuff that the everyday person needs. And side hustle number 4 is a more traditional side hustle, but nothing can replace it. AI and virtual work is going to do a lot of digital work. What AI has not figured out is manual labor. There are a lot of side hustles that still need physical labor that you can make some good money on the weekends. I have a neighbor who has a 12-year-old kid who hustles so hard trying to mow lawns. He literally pushes his push lawnmower every single Saturday, has knocked on my door every single week for like 3 months asking if he can mow my lawn. Now, Annoying? Little bit. But I respect the hustle. He's just trying to make an extra buck every single weekend, and every one of us can do it. You can wash windows, mow lawns. A lot of people like spray out trash cans. There's a dog poop picking up service here locally that's killing it. There are so many things that you can do to make an extra buck because AI is never going to take it, and you can do it on the weekends and evenings. Once you do the side hustle and you start making an extra $500 to $1,000, what you do with that money is the most important thing. The first 3 years of my career, I was making extra money and I was just chucking out investments, putting it in a 401k, putting in stocks, bought some meme coins and cryptocurrency just for fun. But 12 months later, I was in the exact same spot. You have to know the game and play by its rules to actually be able to multiply that. And it wasn't until I actually got mentored what turned out to be a billionaire, and he showed me how to do it. How do you mitigate taxes? How do you actually invest in private markets? How do you actually invest to create financial freedom? And it completely changed my life. That's when my net worth stopped being flat, and that extra $500, $1,000, $2,000 a month that you can make doing this stuff started to go parabolic, and I really started to make money. Don't just make the money, actually learn the game, and that's exactly what I talk about in this video down below. It's a step-by-step guide of exactly how I did it, how I turned my business into making money, how to actually keep money in your pocket and not pay way too much in the government like all of us do, and then how to multiply that through investments. If you want the exact playbook of what I did, click the link down below for that video. And if you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button.